Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxy for those of you who are new. So we're back with another wig video. This video is sponsored by UNice Hair. Now today we're going to be working with a 24-inch body wave T-part lace wig. With the T-part lace wig, you only have a little bit of lace to work with. So you are limited to only wearing a middle part, and there's only about a ½ inch to an inch of lace around the hairline. The knots on the lace are a little bit more pronounced than I would like, so I'm gonna kind of tone it down by bleaching the knots and making sure that, you know, the hairline looks as seamless as possible. I forgot to mention, guys, we're working with this beautiful highlighted balayage here, and the color on the website is FB30. So it's a nice ombre honey blonde. And if you turn it on the inside here, you get a lot more of the color. I almost considered not bleaching the knots because of how little I had to bleach, but I just want to show you guys how much of the T-part lace wig has lace on it. So it's literally that much. Alright, so for the first time in a long time, I'm simply just going to be using the Got To Be Free Spray. And this is because there's just not enough lace to put lace glue on. So it's kind of unnecessary. So it's kind of like a quick little install using the Got To Be Free Spray. Meanwhile, my lace is setting. I'm gonna throw in some deeper curls using my curling wand. As you guys know, I don't have any room for any baby hair, so this is going to be without baby hairs. I'm going to take my hot comb and I'm just going to further press out the top here. So I'm using this Pantene hairspray, which I had used for holding the curls, just to keep the flyaways down, because there are a little bit of flyaways, which is okay. And I'm still contemplating whether I can put some baby hairs out, but there's something I like about it without the baby hairs. And obviously I know baby hairs can look unrealistic as well, so I'm almost really liking this no baby hair look. I think I'm gonna keep the hair more forward so it doesn't show too much of the sides, because the sides are looking pretty straight along here, which is fine because it can just be hidden by keeping my hair forward. but I do like the hairline coming over here. It was a pretty easy install. I was nervous about the bleaching part because there was such little lace, and the tweezing, I didn't do much tweezing. Everything came out really well. I think it really helped that I had the Stush elastic band to really help flatten it while the Got To Be Free spray was drying, so that helped a lot. I just added some, you know, some additional curls to the body wave already, and I was sure not to rinse out the body wave, the natural body wave that it came with, while I was rinsing out the bleach, because I wanted it to have that volume when it was time for me to curl it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this unit and if you would try a T-part lace wig. Thank you so much, UNice Hair, for sponsoring this video, and as usual, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.